Hello everybody, my name is Ventus of the Wind, and I am here with a pack opening of the Tactical Masters set for this coming year. Well, actually for this month. So, I got about 7 of these packs here, but I opened 6 of them already and just showing off this pack right here. So what we're going to do is that I'm going to show you the ones that I had opened up, so that way you will be able to see what kind of cards we got in here. And then for the last one, I'll open up the last pack for you guys to see. So let's go ahead and take a look at these cards right here and check out what we got. I am hoping to get some of the Labyrinth cards, so in any case, first one we got is... okay. Scion the Valiant Archer. Valence Archer. Not bad. A Compulse. Not bad. Oh, Labyrinth Setup. One of the Labyrinth cards. Super rare. Not bad. Let's see. The Labyrinth Stovey Torby. Okay. The Astrograph Sorcerer. A Labyrinth Archfiend. Getting some of the good Labyrinth cards, so let's see. Runic Allure. The Runic Dispelling. The Pendulum Switch. Let's see. Valence World Konging Wissen. Man, kind of hard to pronounce these names, but super rare. The Fair Welcome Labyrinth. Not bad. Let's see, the Trap Trick card. Trap. Another Labyrinth Archfiend. Senate Switch. The Quick Booster. Another Compulse. What's this one? Runic Freezing Curses. It's not bad. The Runic Slumber. Another Labyrinth Stovey Torby. Another Runic Allure. Valiant Voltage Viscount. Not bad. Another Runic Dispelling. Valiant Mad Marquise. Yeah, Marquise. What's this? Gary the Runic Fangs. A fusion of the Runic monsters. Let's see. This one is Valiant's Dominator Duke. Getting some of these Valiant's cards. They're not bad. The Malice Lady of Lament. Imperial Iron Wall. Senate Switch. Another Nizuki Valiant's Ninja. A Fiend Griefing. Oh, Scapegoat. Not bad. Their Trap Trick. Sorry for the mess. Welcome Labyrinth. Not bad. And it's the first ultra rare. Not bad. A Labyrinth card, ultra. I was trying to get the Lady of the Labyrinth, but nothing just yet. Another Labyrinth Archfiend. The Invader of Darkness. The Runic Smithing Storm. Another Scion. Archfiend's Ghastly Glitch. This one's for the Labyrinth with those two maids up the Labyrinth. Book of Eclipse. Astrograph Sorcerer. Absolute King Backjack. And the Imperial Iron Wall. Well, didn't get the card that I was looking for, but I will open up this last pack that I have here, so hopefully I might get lucky, but give me a second while I get it open. Alright, back over here. Now, let's see what we got here. If I could focus. Mad Marquise again. The Runic Dispelling. Runic Destruction. Didn't actually get what I wanted. Let's see. Anti-Spell, Labyrinth Clock Backpack, and the Invader of Marquise. Okay, well, I got some of the Labyrinth cards, but not the one that I was looking for. But other than that, I did get some good pulls. I plan on trying to get the card that I want, but that will be at another time. But thank you all for joining me for an opening of this new pack, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe, and well, if you guys want, just hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next opening. Thank you. Bye.